Well, I picked up one hell of a truck today. This is going to be the new welding truck. I was bouncing around from a couple trucks, but this one's it. '07, 1-ton Cummins with a 6-speed manual mega cab. Sorry, my throat's all messed up. It's got an exhaust brake on it. It's got a, oh, who's this? Yeah, my throat is shot. Jesus. There's the rack I built for my tools. Yeah. This thing is just, it's a little beat up, but it's a work truck. Maddox parked his truck right next to mine. But yeah, 6-speed manual. Oof. It's gonna look good. Get my welder rack put in there. It's from my red mega cab that I sold to my cousin. Yeah, man, this thing is just really cool.